guys, welcome to School of English. In this lesson, we're going to study the use and formation of past continuous tense. Let's jump in. Let's start, as we always do, with the helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? The verbs that help us form sentences in past continuous tense. They are was and were. How about their contractions? For negatives, wasn't for was not, weren't for were not. Okay, how do we form positive sentences in past continuous tense? The other name for positive is affirmative, as you know. First we use a subject, then we use was or were according to the subject we use. Then, as it is a continuous tense, we need to use verb ing. Okay, that's the main formation for positive sentences. We use was for I, he, she, it, third person singulars. Let's have a look at our example. He was sleeping when the earthquake happened. When the earthquake happened is our point of reference. In past continuous tense, we need a point of reference to tell that another event was in progress at that point in time. Now, how about were you they? We use were for these subjects and plurals. We were having dinner when the lights went off. When the lights went off is our point of reference, and at that point, the sentence tells us that they were having dinner. How do we form negative sentences? We do it with wasn't and weren't, of course. Let's have a look at the examples. He wasn't working at this time yesterday. Point of reference for this sentence is at this time yesterday. Okay, we weren't listening to the teacher when she decided to give a quiz. When she decided to give a quiz is our point of reference here. How do we form questions in past continuous tense? We use was and were at the beginning. Was she driving fast when the accident happened? When the accident happened, the when clause is our point of reference, and we use simple past tense in that clause to give a point of reference in time. Otherwise, the sentence will be meaningless. Was she driving fast? If you don't use a point of reference, it would mean nothing in that case. The other example, were you sleeping when the bell rang? When the bell rang is our point of reference, and the main clause indicates that this action, sleeping, was in progress at that point in time. Okay. How about use? Actually, we explained the use of it in the previous examples. It is used for an action that was in progress at a given point in the past. At a given point in the past tells us that in past continuous tense, we need a point of reference in the past. Yesterday at 10 a.m. we were learning English. Yesterday at 10 a.m. is our point of reference here. Okay? There is another usage for past continuous tense, as it is for present continuous tense. Past continuous also can indicate gradual change or development. The course was getting more difficult. There is a change. Inflation was rising. There is a progressive change. Okay? That's it for past continuous tense. We will have another video about the use of when and while in past continuous tense in the upcoming lesson. Thanks for watching.